10th class student, exercise 13.1, surface areas and volumes. Question number 7. A tent made canvas, cylindrical part, double parted, cylindrical part and conical part. Height is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter. Slant height is 2.8 meter. Cylindrical part height is equal to 2.1 meter and diameter is equal to 4 meter. Radius will be 4/2 is equal to 2 meter. CSA of cylinder part is equal to 2 pi RH is formula 2 into 22/7 into R value is 2, then H value is 2.1. 7 divided by 2.1 is 0.3. After multiplying 26.4 meter square, that is area use of canvas cylindrical part is equal to 26.4 meter square. Conical part R is equal to 2 meter, L slant height is equal to 2.8 meter. CSA of conical part pi RL is formula pi value 22/7 into R value is 2.8 is L value. Slant height 7 divided by 0.4. After multiply 22 8 जा 17.6 meter square is use. Total use canvas is equal to add to both parts 17.6 after plus is 44 meter square is used for make the tent. Cost of canvas for tent is equal to 44 into 500 after multiply 22,000 rupees spent to the make the tent. Question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. 8 is a cylinder. Let the cylinder height is 2.54 semi and diameter is equal to 1.5 semi. Question number 8 is measure of cylindrical part. H is equal to 2.4 semi. Diameter is equal to 1.4 semi. Then R will be 1.4 upon 2 is equal to divide by 2 0.7. 0.7 will be radius of base. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r. H is formula. 2 into pi value is 22 upon 7. R value is 0.7. H value is 2.4. 7 divided by 0.1 after multiply 48. 24 multiplied by 44 96 6 5 or 10 0.10.56 semi square is area of cylinder. A cone, same height, same diameter. Hollow out cone. H is equal to 2.4 semi. R will be 0.7. Same height, same diameter, conical cut the hollow out. At first, find the CSA. To find the CSA, we find at first L square, H square, R square is formula. 2.4 H value, R value is 0.7. After square 5.76 plus 0.49. L square is equal to after plus 6.25. L is equal to under root 6.25 is equal to 2.5 semi. CSA of cylindrical conical. Cone is equal to pi RL. Is formula pi value 22/7. R value 0.7. Then L value we find the 2.5. 7 divided by 0.1 and multiply by 25 2 जा 50 5.5 semi square is cone who hollow out, and this part is colored by, we find the area of color part. Area of you can side vertex या और base. Area of base is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 22/7. R value 0.7 square is equal to 22/7. 0.7 into 0.7. 7 divided by 0.1. After multiply 1.54 semi square. TSA of remaining solid is equal to 10.56 plus 5.50 and 1.5. After plus 10.56, 5.50 and 1.54. 60, 6, 7 और 1. 17.6 semi square. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9 is figure is given the book. A cylinder hollow out the two hemispheres. height of cylinder 10 semi and radius is 3.5 semi. Find the TSA of article. Question number 9 is measure of cylinder. H is equal to 10 semi, R is equal to 3.5 semi. CSA of curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH is formula. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R value 3.5, H value is 10. 7 divided by 0.5, 0.5 into 21 meter semi square is area of cylinder. CSA of cylinder. Hemisphere, measure of both hemisphere is same. R is equal to 3 semi. CSA of both hemisphere is equal to 2 into 2 pi R square. 2 into 2 is equal to pi value is 22 upon 7. R value is 3.5. 2 into 2 into 22 upon 7. 3.5 into 3.5. 7 divided by 0.5. 0.5 into 2 is 1. 3.5 multiplied by 2 is 7. 7 multiplied by 22, 154. Semi square is CSA of both hemisphere. TSA of total surface area of article is equal to 220 plus 154 after plus 374. Semi square is TSA of articles. Thank you.